Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off notifications, app, icon badges on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, we go down and tap on notifications. Now go down and tap on Advanced Settings. Next, scroll down and tap on App Icon Badges. You can tap on the toggle button here to switch it on or turn it off. Now you can also tap on the left hand side panel to go into the settings page for the App Icon Badges. In here at the top, you can also tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Once it is turned on, you can change the badge style, and here you can turn on or turn off notifications on app icons. So say touch and hold the app icon to show the notifications, and that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.